Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and here we have to scroll down actually to the very bottom, and here we've got language and region. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the language, it's right here, and as you can see here we've got the full list of available languages, so we've got a lot of options to choose from. Now we've got English set and it is also marked. Let's find the language you want to use. I will pick for example French, and if you are ready, just tap on it and make sure that it is marked. If you are happy with your choice, tap on done here. Now you can decide if you want to change the system language to French, so I will pick change to French. If you've got the pattern or a pin, then enter to confirm. And as you can see, the whole language, the whole system has been changed to the chosen language, so I've got it in French. So now let me show you how to get back to English. This is the same way, just tap on the language, choose the language again, and here we have to find the English, so let's tap on it, click on done and set it, confirm it, and the same situation, the whole system from now on is in English. So that's all. This is how to change the language in your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.